Hey guys, this is a quick demo about how perform a real-time transcription from audio to text using event-driven designs and powered of course by AI. So I am using for that an API called Faster Whisper, and this is actually a better implementation of the Whisper API from OpenAI. Okay, so I am using this API to build my own NLP engine. Okay, so I have here two terminals, okay, because I'm going to run two processes, okay. So the first process that I'm going to run is an NLP engine, okay. This is actually using the API Faster Whisper, and it's going to receive bytes, and then it's going to print in the terminal here the transcription of the audio, okay. And in the right side, I'm going to run an audio engine that is going to listen in my microphone, and then is going to send that bytes to the consumer. Okay, so the audio engine is going to be the producer, and the NLP engine is going to be the consumer here. Okay, and you may ask, how is the communication between these two processes? Okay, I am using an in-memory database for that. Okay, this is an in-memory cache database. So the producer is going to send the bytes to this in-memory cache database, and then the consumer is going to read the bytes from that, okay? And actually, I am generating here an event, okay? When I stop talking, the NLP engine is understand that the sentence is done, so it's going to perform the transcription, okay? So let's see how this works. Okay, so now I have running here my NLP engine, and you can see here in the terminal that I am monitoring the memory consuming of the GPU. You will see that was created a process for that, and it is actually consuming less than 2 gigabytes of GPU, okay? And I am running here a medium-sized model, okay? So I think that for a medium size is just fine. And now I'm going to run the audio engine. Okay, so the audio engine is running now, and you can see that in the right terminal is sending bytes to transcript. Okay, and in the left terminal you will see that is printing the transcription of the audio. Okay. So yeah, this is working event-driven design. So that means that in the NLP engine, I'm not doing any pooling, okay? I am just reacting to an event. And the event is when I stop talking. So now I'm going to play some YouTube audio, and we will see if it can handle it right.
96% of the mass mammals on our planet today are us and the livestock that we've domesticated. Only 4% is everything else, from elephants to badgers, tigers to bats. 70% of all birds are now domesticated poultry, mostly chickens. Nature once determined how we survive. Now we determine how nature survives.
Okay, so this was just audio from YouTube, and you can see that it handled it really well. Okay, so yeah, so it's fast and it's event-driven design as well. So this is actually 90% software engineering and 10% AI. Okay, so you're using an API, but of course the design of this and how this is working, and how is the integration between the audio producer and the consumer is 100% software engineering. So thank you so much.